Now we will start with the game. So first and foremost thing we are going to do, we are going to name this project. We will call it as ball attack game. And now as we don't need cat sprite, so we will delete this. I'm going to add a new sprite. I will take Giga. I choose a sprite. Now I will choose one backdrop. All of you, I know you all know this. I will keep the sprite here on the ground. I think I should reduce the size of the sprite. So I am reducing it. Yes. So now we want our sprite to move left and right with the help of our keyboard keys, arrow keys, left and right one. So for that, please see carefully. For that, we will go to events and we will use this block when key pressed. So in this it is space. We will choose left arrow and we will choose one more and we will from here we will choose right arrow. Now if the left arrow key is pressed, we want it to move minus 10 steps. Yes, because we want it to move in the left direction, we will use minus 10, and if right arrow key is pressed, then we will use it as plus 10. See? So if you are pressing the left arrow key, it is going this side. If we are getting right arrow key, we are it's moving. But if a sprite is moving, it should be in a walking costume, right? So we are going to choose the costumes also. So as we see, it has so many costumes, so that we get a feel of that it is walking. So we will go to looks and we will click next costume and we will add it over here. Now see, now if we add left arrow key, we feel that our sprite is walking. Yes. Yes. So now we are going to add a, I'm adding a beach ball which will be dropping from the sky. I will reduce the size 80. I know you all are aware of this. Since the ball is coming from up to down, we will be only changing the Y position, not the X position. So we will write the code for this ball to come down. We will go to events. We will say when flag clicked, what should happen? We are going to um, change Y by minus 5. As we are going down, we will use minus. But this thing should happen continuously, so we are going to use forever block. Uh, so we are going to use forever block and we will do this. So what is going to happen? The ball will come down, but in the starting it should be on top. So we will set, first we are going to set Y as 153. So we will say set Y to 153. See, now the ball is always going down. Yes, whenever we click on the green flag, the ball is going down. Now, what we want is, because we want a continuous fall of balls, we want whenever this ball touches the ground, it should again go back to top. So for that, we are going to use if block. And uh, how should we find that our ball has touched the ground? For that, we will use the sensing operator. There is a touching color operator. So we will use this. Which color we will, this the ground color is somewhat brown. So we are going to use that color. How to choose that color? We will use this pick color option and we will choose this brown color. This gives us an accurate result. So what should happen if it touches the ground? Again we are going to set Y as 153. Yes. So now did you notice? Whenever it is touching the ground, the ball is moving back to the sky. Now this thing is done. So but we want every time when it goes up, it should come from the random position, not from the same position, because we want to make our game tough. Yes. So first we will note down the x position. It is minus 214, and what is the end of the screen? It is 216. So we will go again to motion. We will say set x to, we want any random position between minus 216 to 216. So for that we will go to operator. We have one option, pick random. So instead of 216 we will write this, and here we will write 216, and here minus 216. Yes. So now if we run the code, let us see what happened. The ball is coming from random positions, right? So now what we want, whenever the ball touches the ground, our score should increase. We need score variable. You know how to add score variable? You will create a variable, you will click on make a variable, and you will type score. You might score. So it will come here. So whenever it's touching the ground, the score should be change score by 1. Yes, we will choose the variable name score. So what is happening? Can you see? The score is increasing by 1 whenever the ball is touching the ground. But if we start a game again, did you notice the score is starting from the number where we have stopped? We don't want that. We want the score should always start from 0. So we need to set score. So we will set score to 0. Here. Yes. Now see. It is increasing, and we can move our sprite left and right. Yes. So, and if we start the game again, a score start with 0. So now our half of the work is done. But what we want, first thing, we want lives also, because Giga will have 5 lives. So whenever the ball touches Giga, uh, its life will reduce. So first thing, again we will go to variables. We will make one more variable, lives. And we will set it to, we will make one more variable, right? One second. So now we need to write a code if a ball touches this sprite. So we go to events. We will say when flag clicked. When flag clicked, because every time we need forever we keep on checking whether this ball is touching the giga or not. So we will go to operator, when we go to control, we use forever block. And in forever block, we will use the if statement. So what should come under if this sprite touches giga. So for that, we will again go to sensing and we will use this. We will use this touching mouse, touching. We use giga walking. The name of our sprite is giga walking. So we will use touching giga walking. So if a giga touches the wall, what should happen? Our lives should be reduced by -1. So we will say change lives by -1. And after hitting the giga, what should happen? The ball should again go back to the top. So we will again set y to minus to 150, and same code we will write set x to, again we will go to operators, we will use big random how we did before, minus 216 to 216. Yes, so when we create, so see what will happen if we are not touching the ball, our score is only increasing, and if we are touching the ball, our lives is reducing by -1. Ideally, it should be life should be starting from, we should have 5 lives, then it should come to 0. Our game should be over. For that, we are going to code now. We will use when the lives comes to 0. It will be the giga will be having 5 lives, and when the lives is 0, the game over screen should come. Let us do that.